Hey, move it. He died. Do you see it? Ouch, it's out. You can eat it this big. Come out to hunt. I thought it was the horsefish. It was a small white shark. Take a look at the still running hole here. Hey, he's moving again. We have stock here. Look. A beautiful fish. He wants to pass through here, but he can't get through. Neighbor. Oh, cool. Nice harvest. Huh. Catching the sea on the island is a pleasure. Oh. Not advice. Hey. This. Very cute. Take a look. Okay. Find someone to catch and find someone. Let everyone take a good look at your appearance. Claw slippery body. Hey. After a long time, the drum fell up. Oh, fiddle with it. Hey, look. How handsome. Very beautiful. Look at the mud on this body. Do you see it? Colorful. Very beautiful. There are a lot of sea cucumbers recently. Picked up several. This head is also big. The one I picked up just now is smaller. This big. This is all a little sticky. I feel this. This sea cucumber, as long as it has been exposed to the sun, it will be sticky. If it is not in the water, it will be dried directly. Is this a sea cucumber? Oh my God. So fat and so big. Wow, his tentacles are slowly shrinking in. That's what happens when you get scared. The skin is very meaty. So heavy, so heavy. There must be a lot of ointment in it. These are his teeth in the middle. Special place to eat. This is the real Patrick Star. Chubby Meaty. This is the melon. Look at these two. Hey. Move it. Dead hay. Watch the first prey appear at the same time as this prey. Okay, let's catch this one alive first. Half dead. You see. How nice of you. That's like a dog. Moored here like a boat's hair. The hair is on that stone. That strip doesn't have these two long beards anymore. Okay, got it. The first and second prey are found at the same time. Oh, not bad. Ho ho. There's a steamed bun crab here. There is also a lighthouse snail. I caught it and started to shrink in. What is this guy doing? Running out to bask in the sun. This stone crab is very funny. Pretending to be stupid. The carapace is hard. This clip can't be knocked off. Sluggish. I saw you running for your life, and I was anxious for you. Ouch. Yeah. Do you see it? Ouch, hey, it's out. 2 devil fish. Eat here too. Look, this is another devil for him. Take a look. When you see me coming, relatives and friends will play. See how I miss you. Look, oops, yeah, one by one. Yeah. Resisted. Isn't this pose handsome? I stepped on him directly with my trembling. This anemone is not deep. Yes, the anemone has deep roots. This blooming one. Basically, it's not deep to hold. All shrunk. This is a complete. After shrinking, he is so long. This green mouth. I don't know how long I've been in this place. What a deep root. Wow. He just likes to stick in a fixed corner. Look at this ditch. It's all over here. He also fixed himself to enter safely. Look at this stone. Hey, no crabs. Hey, what a big pig deer. Oh, my mother. This meat. Still pretty big. And it's heavy. This snail meat is especially delicious. And the shells are also very beautiful. Don't throw away the shell after eating it. Can you also make decorations? The dark one is the sea cucumber. The adult one can be collected. There's a swimming crab. Yeah, it's not too big. I can take it too. Hey, 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 come. Find me here. Ouch. Dead? All asleep. Hey, look at that truck. The black cat will not come to you. Ouch. Ouch, biting me. Okay, roar. Big red octopus. Okay, you see, the hermit crab is out again. Hey, I'm in again. I dare not touch him. This is the first time I've picked up this kind of conch. There's a hermit crab that's this big. You can eat it this big. You see, as long as someone touches it, he knew somebody was there, so he stopped. I picked it up in that water. He can't get out of the sun. Put it in this place. If there is no sun, he will come out. No, don't pull it down. You can take this back and keep this peng who is also alive. This conch I thought was. He even talks about himself. Also a werewolf. Still want to run. I still want to run away from you. I felt his weight just now. So fat. This is a must. See where you went. Hurry up. Right? My favorite thing about him is the tail. The colors are particularly novel. A lot of people catch him just for fun. I like to eat him. Found another fish. Hide in that pit. Wow, it got pricked and pinched tightly. Oh, dear. He stabbed me. This guy. It is estimated that it is half a jinn. Call? Let's move another stone. Inside the scene. This is his nest. This stone is shaking. You see it. It's out. It's out. Here we go. It's out again. Look. Big red. Big red dragon? I'll go. A hymen. Come out looking for prey. This guy. It's getting hot, and this anemone is basically gone. There's a crab on it. It was directly scratched by this fishing net. This white line is particularly strong. Just a few. It's scratched. Fortunately, this crab has a strong leg. If you don't pick this crab, it is easiest to pull it off with your legs. Can't press. What cool stuff. I thought it was that Mayan. It was a small white shark. I'm going to be startled by him. Small white shark in the deep sea. The collar box has big eyes. I often encounter these little white sharks in the case. Oh, dear. Look here, no. Take a look at the running power here. Humph, don't run. I'll take you home. Oh, there are two in the middle. Come out. Hey, after playing, it will become your hole again. Hey, hold again. Hey, an umbrella is enough. Okay, come and do it again. Play dead, huh? Okay. It's over, he's drowning. It's over. Why isn't he moving? Hey. Strange. Oh, he's moving again. He can't swim. It's hopeless. I feel like this place can pick up a caddy of crabs. It's all swimming crabs. So is this. It's not small, all big. Here's a cat's eye snail. There's a lot of stuff on the beach today. Brother, look at this meat. This water is so beautiful. How big is this molar screw? As big as a fist. Except for this crab, it's this cat yarrow.